Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to change or disable two-side default printing option in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to start. Here type printers and scanners. Here type printers and scanners. Click on printers and scanners. Here we find our all installed printers. Go to the printer that have two-side printing problem. I go to this printer. Click on your printer. In this printer, we find many options. Go to the printer properties first. Here we find printer properties. Click on printer properties. Here is our printer properties. I minimize it. And here we find many options. The first option is device settings. Go to the device settings. In device settings, here we find two-side printing. Unselect this. Uncheck this. After that, go to our advanced. In advanced, go to the advanced. In advanced, here we find printing defaults. Click on the printing defaults. In a printing defaults, here we find page layout, and after that here we find one side, two side, and booklet or other printing. Here click at here, and if you find none or one side printing, then select one side printing. I select one side printing. After that, we are going to the check any other options are available on our PC or not. Go to the other options. Here we find other option, and if you find two-side or duplex, then unselect this and go to the none or one. I go to the one on the all things, and here we find paper quality also. Go to the advanced settings. In advanced settings, there is no options. Then click on OK. Then click on the apply. Then click on the OK. And click on apply. Click on the OK. After that, once again, go to our settings, and this time go to the printing preferences. Go to the printing preferences. In printing preferences, check all things are done or not. Go to the one side, two side booklet printing, and go to the one side or go to the none. Go to the none or one side. Go to the printing setups. Here also, here we find there is no options. All things are clear. Okay, paper source, it is also one, and quality, it is also one. After that, your two-side default printing preferences are changed or disabled. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.